Here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and let me show you how to update apps on the following device. So first of all, just open your Play Store, then tap on the More icon and go to My Apps and Games. And here you've got all apps that can be updated, and you can either use this Update All icon, so after that all apps will be updated, or you can pick one particular application and then click on Update right next to its icon. So let me update all apps, smoothly click, and then it will be done automatically. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, so you can search the browser, watch some movie, call your friend, or smoothly turn off your device. Just lock it, I mean. And then if you go back to your Play Store, you will be able to observe the progress. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.